a very cool video for you guys. We're gonna make this small beaker disappear.
And for this experiment, you're gonna need a big beaker, but it can be a cup, but it has to be clear. A small beaker, it can be a small cup, but it has to be clear too. And
Vegetable oil. Now we're gonna start the experiment. So first, we're gonna pour vegetable oil into this small beaker. Yeah, you should hold it. Nope, I'm gonna pour it in here, not on you.
okay, that's good. Ah, I got it.
Then put it in gently in there. Guys, look, you can still see it.
Yeah.
But watch what happens when we put more oil and it's gonna overflow into here. Into the big beaker. Look!
You can
Guys,
see it.
You can't see it. Look at that. You can't see it.
And even if I look up here, I can't even see it.
Yeah, I can't see it. That is so cool. That is so cool. Guys, that is not magic. It's just science.
So look, guys. Now you see it. Now you don't. 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 Let's do it.
There you have it, guys. That's what we call the disappearing act. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know whenever we post a new video. Bye!